Okay, here's the story. So, I've been using the Infinity Gauntlet as a mode of transport, pretend transport, you know, for the planetary pursuit. And so I thought I'd get really creative and jump, so it makes it look like I'm jumping in the air or I'm just like flying away or something. Well, this last cache I got, I proceeded to think, oh, this would be a great idea. After I jumped in the air and made it look like I was landing or something like that, I proceeded to think, oh, I'll run, and then I'll leap in the air, I'll run and jump and make it look like I'm taking off. Well, that didn't turn out to be such a wise idea. Here's what happened. So I back up, I go running, and I jump, and I probably got pretty high in the air, kind of, but the problem was when I landed in a hole, like maybe like a gopher hole or a mole hole or something. I landed in a hole and twisted my ankle and fell down. I thought for sure I broke it. So now my ankle is super sore. My knee hurts, well, my leg hurts. I can walk on it, but it's definitely painful. So I'm gonna use that footage, some of it, for another video in the future for my getting to Uranus. Which, by the way, getting this souvenir for Uranus has been a major pain in Uranus, if you know what I mean. I mean, seriously, it's like Thanos does not, or is it Thanos? You pronounce it however you want. Thanos does not want me to get this mission taken care of. He's stopping me every way he can, twisting my ankle. It's supposed to have a big old storm coming in. I've only finished Saturn. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you a little snippet of the footage of me falling down. I guess you can laugh or you can go ooh or whatever it is. But I just wanted to show you it because I actually got it on film. Oh my gosh. So hopefully my ankle is okay. It is pretty sore. I'm gonna definitely get some ibuprofen on it, and I don't know, I might find another cache today. Hope so. With that, thanks for watching, guys, and here is the footage. I think I broke my ankle.